In this video, I'm going to show you how you can automatically translate pages on Google Chrome. So there are two ways that you can do this. The first way, once you're on a website, if you go to the three dots in the top right hand corner, you can go ahead and just click on translate, and you can then choose to translate to an alternative language. By default, it will be English for me, but if I click on the three dots, we can click choose another language, and we can have this current text translated into a alternative language, let's say Chinese. Now, if you wanted this to happen automatically on every single page that you click, then what you need to do is go to the three dots in the top right, click on settings, then go to languages, then scroll all the way down to Google Translate. Here, go ahead and enable this, and then you can set what languages are automatically translated. So for me, let's just say English. As we can see, Dutch, Thai, and Vietnamese are also there. We can go ahead and click on the trash can icon or add any other languages that we want to automatically translate. And then we can translate this language into whatever output language we want. So in our case, it's Chinese. Once you've got this enabled, you can close out of Chrome and reopen it, and it will then translate any of these languages to your chosen language.